Tiberius Claudius Nero was no Augustus. Rome's second emperor was never intended to rise to the purple. A military man, Tiberius calmly ruled Rome from a distance throughout his early reign, but crushed by the pressure of loss, he lived out his last years in tyranny and depravity on a tiny island. Tiberius was born on November 16, 42 BC. He lived out his first years on the run from Augustus until his family got amnesty in 39 BC. After his father died, he moved in with Augustus and was kept at the bottom of the hereditary pecking order. Miraculously, all of Augustus's preferred heirs died, so Tiberius was recalled from exile. Sworn in on September 17, 14 AD, Tiberius started off well. He didn't overextend Rome, but built up her navies nonetheless. He balanced the books and left Rome with 20 times the treasury that he had started with. He had a rock-star general, Germanicus, but perhaps he was a bit too successful in the eyes of Tiberius, ruling by a thread. Suffice to say, Germanicus mysteriously died in 19 AD. Stressed out by a job he never wanted, Tiberius left Rome for good in 27 AD, moving to the island of Capri. There, he built several complexes where the ever-uglier emperor was said to find pleasure through torture and perversion. He ruled primarily through the newly exalted Sejanus, a Praetorian brute that exiled the likes of Drusus and nearly killed Caligula. He became too powerful, so Tiberius had to kill him. The shriveling Tiberius slipped into a coma in early 37 AD. He was presumed dead, and Caligula was elevated to the position of princeps. Then, the man woke up. Everyone was freaking out, but then Marco, Sejanus' Praetorian replacement, suffocated the poor old man in his sleep on March 16th.